Now let's focus upon multiplication, content multiplication. What we need to realize is that if we are putting in a lot of effort to create content, then that should not be wasted. So if you are putting in effort to create a video for one particular platform, you need to ensure that you are actually multiplying that content and posting it on other platforms as well. But same content mat post karo sare platforms. For example, YouTube is predominantly for longer videos, IGTV for 2.5 minute long videos. So that's exactly what you got to do for yourself, right? Understand this. कंटेंट मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज एसेंशियल. तो जब भी आप एक पीस ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएट करो, उसको डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके बेस्ड अपॉन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करो कंटेंट को. एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. अगर ना यूट्यूब का वीडियो क्रिएट करा है तो यूट्यूब का वीडियो आपका वन लेफ्ट टू राइट साइज में रहेगा. इट वुड बी लाइक दिस, राइट, लेफ्ट टू राइट. इफ यू आर क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट फॉर फेसबुक और फॉर इंस्टाग्राम वीडियोस, इट विल बी इन द रेशियो 1:1. If you are creating your content in the form of IGTV or Reels, then your content would be like this from top to bottom. Got that? So that is why you need to create content as per that particular platform. I know in the beginning you might find it difficult and everything, but understand, please realize, just have somebody in your team to do it for you. Or if you cannot hire somebody full time, hire a college student, hire a college going student. He or she will do it for you. They will not charge a lot of money. But जब आपका कंटेंट मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना, आपकी विजिबिलिटी बढ़ेगी ना, आपका रेवेन्यू खुद ब खुद आएगा. आपका रेवेन्यू खुद ब खुद आएगा. So that's the reason why. See, for everything, the revenue generation plan has to be there. You generate revenue and then you pass it on and then you pass on the some percentage of that to other people. Create good content, multiply that content, have somebody who's going to multiply that content for you, and ensure that you are generating revenue accordingly. Very important. That's the reason why content multiplication is the key. You create more content, you get more visibility, more revenue is going to come for you. Now, the task for you is, why is content multiplication important? How do you do it? Why is content multiplication important and how do you do it?